Now we are going to do surface area and volume. When you find the length of a line, you express in linear units. It comes from the word line. When you find out the area of some place, suppose you want to whitewash the wall. In that case, you will like to get the area. So, you know very clearly if it is rectangular, it is length into breadth. Two linear units are multiplied, so it will be giving you square units. Now, actually what is a surface? This is a line. It has no thickness. You are just having line over line over line over line over, densely packed, which will be giving you surface. If it is straight, it will be plain surface. If the lines are curved, see for example if you take sphere, all curved lines together will give you outer surface of a sphere. Same thing, curved surface area of a cone. All the curved lines, circumferences will be giving you cone. Now, similarly all the lines densely packed one over the other, it will give rise to a solid. So for a solid, you can find out how many surfaces it has got. You can find surface area for each face and also you can get the volume. So the simplest solid will go for cuboid. Cuboid means, see, this is cuboid. So you have got 6 surfaces, length, breadth, height. See, this surface will have L into H. So parallel surface, this will be having L into H, 2LH, similarly 2BH plus 2LH. So 2LB plus BH plus LH. L is linear, B is linear. Product of two linear units, square units, square units, square units. You can add all these square units, which will give you total surface area. Because you are getting L into B, L into B, B into H, B into H, L into H, L into H. So, now, this is only about surface area. Suppose you want to find the volume. All these surfaces, one over the other, they are packed. So, you know, base area is nothing L into B. To what height these surfaces or rectangular surfaces are put one over each other? To a height of H. 3 linear units will give rise to cubic units. That will be volume. Now, if it is cube, L will be equal to B, B will be equal to H. So LB will become A square, B will become A square, LH will become A square. This will be 2 into 3A square, which will be 6A. So, for cube, surface area will be 6A square. For cuboid, twice of LB plus BH plus LH. Now, for cube and cuboid, surface area and volume we have done. Now, same thing for volume, base area will be, this is cube. A into A to a height A. So A cube. Cubic units, that will give you volume. Now, next we will talk about cylinder. Basically, what is cylinder? Circle over circle over circle to a height H. Okay. If I want to get only surface area, it has got 3 surfaces. If it is closed at both ends, you know clearly this is pi r square. This is also pi r square. Now, curved surface area. Each circumference is only 2 pi r. Each circumference is 2 pi r. To what height? H. So, to a height of H, all these things, circumferences, are put one over each other which will be giving rise to 2 is constant, pi is constant, h is square unit. Pi is constant, r square unit. R square, pi into r square will be square unit. So, total surface area of a closed cylinder or cylindrical block will be 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Whereas, you can take 2 pi r common, r plus h. If it is the, again you see, you can add 2 linear units. This will give you linear, r into this linear will give you square, 2 constant, pi constant, constant multiplied to square will give you square unit. Now, if it is closed only at one end, 1 pi r square you will leave it and add. If it is open, like pipe, so in that case, you will leave both this, you will take only this. If it has to be painted inside and outside, 2 pi RH plus 2 pi RH. Okay. Now, we'll talk about volume. What is volume of a cylinder? All circles arranged over each other. Each surface will have area pi r square. To what height? H. So, pi is constant, r square, square unit multiplied to linear will give you cubic unit. Volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Now, suppose you are having this is a thick hollow pipe. Only inside portion is hollow. This is capital R. This is small r. Okay. If you want to paint, very clearly outside will be just having 2 pi r, height is 6. You want to paint inside also 2 pi small r h. Now, this is ring, annulus or ring. So, outer surface minus inner surface. So, outer area is pi r square, inner surface is small pi r square. This difference will give you area of this ring. Okay. Now, that also you are having on the top and the bottom. So, plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square. Choice of this. So you just simplify it, then you can take all the common factors. For example, you can take 2 pi h, r plus r, plus 2 pi r square minus r square. Now, again you can take 2 pi h, r plus r, plus 2 pi, a square minus b square, r plus r minus r. Now you can take 2 pi common, r plus r common, h plus r minus r. So, instead of memorizing, then and there visualize, find out the area. Now, suppose you want to get the volume, it's nothing pi r square h minus small pi r square. Metal used, you are going to just melt it. In that case, you may need volume. So, outer volume minus inner volume will be giving you the area of the block. So, again you can take pi, h common, r square minus r square. If these numbers are big, you can always use r plus r into r minus r. So now we have done cuboids and cylinders.